Good morning. It is just before 4 a.m. on Monday morning, March 31st, and I can't believe I'm taping myself at this hour because I'm not a morning person. But I just realized it's the last day of March, which means it's my last day as a Gorgo cover girl, and I just had to say thank you. I wanted to say thank you to Val and to Erica, the amazing women who run the magazine and women who I'm so proud to call my friend. And just say thank you. You've totally made my dreams come true. And I'm certain and I know that with the amazing and inspirational and true content that you guys are putting out there, you're going to help millions of other women do exactly the same thing and reach their health and fitness goals and make their dreams come true. So today I am rocking my Gorgo Girl tank top to the gym. I'm going to go beast mode. I'm going to go in true Gorgo Girl fashion and represent. So thank you ladies so much. Have a good one. Bye.